In this video tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to configure extension mobility using CUCM. The benefit of using extension mobility is that it allows the users to access their IP phones from any other place within the PCN infrastructure, just writing their username and password and they will be logged into it. First, navigate to device and then device setting and go and select phone services. Click on add new and the service name will be, for example, extensionally mobility EM, and the name is gonna be the same. Service description, extension mobility. With regard the service URL, it is a default from Cisco standards and it will be commented under this video tutorial. You just have to copy it and paste it and just change the IP address of your CUCM IP. As you can see, this is the default URL that's provided by Cisco, and only thing you have to change is the IP address of your URL. After that, regarding the service category, we will use XML services, and the service type will be the standard IP services. Make sure you enable the checkbox here and click on save. As you can see, it says that it's been added successfully. In order to just be sure that it's been added successfully, we go to the phone services and check the EM is added, which is extension mobility. In order to activate this service, you have to navigate to any device created previously. For example, go to phones, find we have this one that's being created previously, click on it, and as you can see here the related links, click on the drop down list and select subscribe and unsubscribe services and click go. As you can see, another windows appear for you. On this page you can select a service that you want to be applied on this phone. The services that are available that we just created is the EM, which is the extension mobility. Click on it. You can write any service or description for it and click on next. The service name EM, it will be as default. Click on subscribe. As you can see, this device is subscribed for the new services, which is extension mobility. Moreover, you can unsubscribe to remove this feature from this phone. After verifying that this phone has subscribed to the new service, just close this window and scroll down in the phone to extensions information and enable the extension mobility checkbox. Uses the current system logout profile, we'll keep it to test 2, and then just click on save in order to apply this configuration on this phone. As you can see, the status is changed to updated successfully, and if you wanna be sure, you can scroll down to the extension. It's been enabled, and that's all. Make sure the device mobility mode is turned to on, and click on save again to activate this services, as it's been updated successfully. And this is how you can configure extension mobility within the BCN infrastructure.